Hey guys, I'm James, and you're watching behind the scenes of the Speed Freaks Builder Series. Full episodes can be found over at For the Bold. In our last episode, we detailed some of the electrical and wiring components we used to animate this beast. Between the Moto Gadget magic and the volcanic exhaust wrap, there was a lot of exciting stuff to cover. If you missed that episode or any other, we have a nice playlist at the end of all our videos to keep you speed freaks current. In this episode, we have a special guest, our in-house technician, engineer, machinist, and extraordinarily likable guy, Norton. He administers a dose of attitude by converting the stock Honda Comstar wheels to a rugged spoke setup worthy of a tracker build. He also spoons on an aggressive new set of shoes from Continental. These mixed-use knobbies are the lauded, dual-purpose TKC80s, but don't be fooled by their chunky block tread pattern. Sure, they've got high levels of stability in the soft stuff, like you'd expect from a competition-proven knobby, but they also let you pile on the miles, and occasionally embarrass a gixxer squid in the twisties. I'm not saying this is a sport bike tire, but I will never forget when my old boss passed me on my Daytona with his TKC80 shod R1150 GS. At full lean, throwing sparks from the magnesium cylinder head. I was sure on my sport bike that I would eat that adventurer's lunch, but the old man and his knobbies had something else in mind. So let's watch Norton get down to business, lacing these wheels and mounting these tires.
The wheels, we've used a brilliant Comstar conversion for these wheels here. It lets us retain the original hubs for both the front and the rear. Obviously the rear on the CX being a shaft drive, you've got your gears and everything in that, and you've got your drum brake on the rear, so it allows us to stick to that original hub, but then obviously with a spoke conversion gives it that racer look and a cleaner look, because not a lot of people like Comstar wheels. Sometimes they look good, other times, it's nice to have a fresh, and if you want to really drastically change the look of your bike, then a spoke conversion is definitely one of the things that you can do. For the tyres, we chose some Continental TKC80s, which are 60/40 off-road, on-road tyres. They're quite bumpy to ride with. Once you're going at high speed, it's fine, but low speeds, it's quite bumpy. Still, we wanted to give it that racer look. I know it's not true to tracker racing, because tracker tyres are obviously not as bumpy as that, but we wanted that mean, aggressive look. The TKC80s, for me, is my preferred choice when I come down to that kind of motocross scrambler look.
don't know about you, but I love the machismo this new rolling setup gives the bike. If you're digging it too, then enter to win this baby for yourself. All it takes is $5. If you're not digging it, enter anyway. It's to help cure cancer. Now, I've never actually read Chicken Soup for the Soul, but I'm pretty sure there's something there about riding motorcycles and humanitarian donations being extremely beneficial. And all proceeds go to help the Prostate Cancer Foundation, saving lives since '93. But you better hurry, you only have till September 30th to enter. So visit dimecitycycles.com for all the details. And if you think we're way off base, let us know what you'd do to extract the last drop of potential. Then we'll help you make it happen. You got the vision, we got the parts. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys right here next time in the Dime City Garage.